Hello friend, welcome to my channel WildCreed.
In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable WordPress editor option under appearance menu. Okay, there is no editor here. How to enable editor? Please go your CPanel. Okay, CPanel of your hosting app and file manager. After that, click on public HTML, this option. Okay, click on public HTML. Okay, choose your domain name. Okay, this is my domain name. Choose your domain name. After that, in this license name txt wp-config.php wp-config.php. okay, and click on that and edit. After that, click on edit option, this. Okay, in this option, disallow file edit, this is true. Okay, remove that, true. Okay, and I see root tab is false. Okay, and save changes, successful. After that, go to your WordPress. Okay, just a minute, and refresh that. Appearance. In appearance menu, there's a theme, customize, widget, menu, and background, and after that, editor is enabled here. Okay, click on editor. Okay, now see the editor option is enabled for this WordPress. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.